Gimpo Airport. We can check in online, which is pretty cool. Okay, we're at Gimpo Airport. We're gonna head to Jeju Island. I want to get a jamba juice. Jamba juice. Got a chocolate mood and a mango a go-go. We're at Jeju, the palm trees. So we're at the airport and the whole trip was pretty much based around hiring a car, and because I'm 22 I can't hire a car, so I just can't really do anything. So now I'm just pretty annoyed and just want to go back home basically. We got here at 7, it's now 10 a.m. and I think we've finally sorted out a car after 3 hours of looking on our phones to try and book something. So we're in Bali car rental, but I feel like there's another obstacle that we're about to face. So we haven't got the car yet, but we're closer. We've got on this car in the shuttle bus. So it turns out my international driver's license is expired, so can't get the car.
Yeah, it covers the whole face.
So we've ended up just calling a taxi guy who's like taking us around. We're at the Car and Piano Museum. It was 13,001 each to enter. So they just have some random deers here as well. Yeah, I feed them. They also randomly have squirrels. Or one squirrel. So cute! So random. Kind of in disbelief right now at how they get these cars and these pianos, because this piano behind me is a custom-made piano, and there's even a 24 karat gold one, and then there's all these pianos in here, and then all the cars. So I'm a bit puzzled right now. Didn't think pianos could be this interesting. Okay, we got our Japanese cars here. We have this Swarovski Bugatti for 5k. Like, who would pay for that? This random kid area with like random buildings. This Cornelia Garden. Scared. Oh, I think that's it. And there's just random deers everywhere. This is so odd. So odd. The tea museum. They're giving samples. Yum. So cute. Iced tea? It's like all tea. Have a cafe here. got this, and this. Alright, I'm gonna try this drink. I'm a bit worried because I feel like it's just milk. And there's no straw, so I don't know how I'm meant to eat it. Yeah, that's just straight milk. I'm gonna try this green tea. It's matcha. This is the tea. Is that tea, Mum? Carrie! This is actual footage of how it is to have a brother. That sucks. This is our accommodation. Got a kitchen. It's pretty nice. Okay, so it's second day here, and we got our driver, and it's a lot better than yesterday, so love that. And I'm wearing this hat. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm trying to force it. Okay, so first stop is taking us to the Handam area. Apparently all the young people come here. So cute. Got coffee. Cute. We're in an Ionic 5. These are only in Korea.
6.
Ionic 6. Look at the like screen. It's electric. It's the shape of a Tesla Y model, I think. Pretty cool. Okay, we got our side dishes. Okay, we got our food. So we're on Mysterious Road. And
Finish.
okay, we're at Loveland. Oh my goodness. Damn.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Oh, what does this one mean?
I have no idea.
You don't know what it means? Mama, what about this one? What does this mean?
I think he's a playboy.
You think he's a playboy?
Yeah.
Wait.
You see?
Yeah, go. So there's something weird going on with this huge lady and this tiny man. I don't know what's happening. She's over here too.
You want full power?
This is the gift shop. I feel like even the toilet sign is a bit not normal. So they have like a cafe in here as well. A pretty good menu. Pizza, brunch. So there's an art museum right next door. Digital art. This is made of recycled tires. Sick. Artwork in here. Pretty cool. It's taking us up to the volcano. Pretty cool. So our drive took us to the wetlands here. Quite nice. Quite cold. There were motorbikes out there, but I think they left. But I can hear something approaching. Alright, Hwangulji. Down this really nice staircase. Really nice here. This way. Some cute fruit trees. Wow, it's so sick. So it says the access is restricted because there's falling rocks. So we just went to the right of that trail and there's a walkway. It's quite nice. Oh yeah. I really want to swim in there. Wow. It's beautiful. This is the other side. Wow. Not bad. Guys, I'm going in. Let's not get lasered. Okay. Made it past that. Ooh. There's a guy following me. I'm dead. Okay, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, it's so cool. Wow. Oh, yes. Definitely worth it. Oh my god, there's people here. I'm dead, there's so many people here. Wow. Made it to the bottom. I want to swim. No, wow. That's amazing. Absolutely beautiful. So there's this little shop here. Got a mandarin drink. It's 3,000 each. Here it's 2,000 for entrance. Got little duckies over here. One of those. Oh wow! This is the Falls. Wow! Wow! Little stores. Oh yeah! Cool! Wow. That room, not bad. Got a kettle. Cute bathroom. We have Aloha Pizza. What is this? Bulgogi and black. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, we just went to GS25 and I found a protein drink, a vegan, 20 grams of protein. I'm so G'd about that. Also got chocolate and this thing. Jongbang waterfall. It's the next day, by the way. Wow. I think he's gonna land in the ocean. What is happening? Maybe it's a rescue happening. I think it's a rescue because they've just pulled down a ladder. I think there's people in the water. No swimming.
The stick is on top. No people
It's like
inside.
they've locked the house.
근데 발을 돌다 보면 구멍이 4개짜리 있어요.
Very cool. Jeju village. This is the kitchen. So they said they change the roof every 10 years. And they will find all these worms under there. And all these people will come to here and buy the worms because it's really good for protein and it's really good for you. So that's quite interesting. And in the kitchen back there, the mother-in-law and daughter-in-law's kitchens were separate, and the daughter-in-law can't cook for the mother-in-law because she'll get offended. So back in the day, they used to have pigs here, and the people would like go to the toilet there, and then the pigs would eat their shiza.
야채만 얘는 야채
괜찮아요.
We're gonna
생선도 안
eat
먹고 아무것도 안 먹고 오로지 야채만. 그게 지금
Go Gary, eat it.
이거 한 번은 먹어봐요. 먹어요. 괜찮아요.
Just try once.
야채만 먹어도 좋은 거 아니야. 고기도 먹어줘야 돼. 단백질 먹어줘야 돼요.
단백질 두부 있어요.
두부 먹어요?
네,
이거
많이
그거.
두부
그거예요.
먹어요.
그거.
Just swallow. Just swallow. It's
두부
fine.
이렇게 많이 먹어.
Selling the
얘는 사고
protein.
싶어도 얘는 뭐야? 그
Okay, we're at the beach. It's called Wolchongri Beach. We're gonna go for a swim. Okay, got in the water. It was pretty nice. Had a little swim. There's no showers here, and I don't have a towel, so I'm just standing in the sun. Okay, we're at this restaurant next to the
Wait,
beach.
we'll just use the rest. Do I chuck it in? Yeah. Yeah, I do.
We're gonna go to this bakery. It's called Morbi. Here, it's like this. Wow. So I ended up getting this jeju scone and a red bean cronut. The scone is really good. I think it has mandarin inside, which makes it jeju. Like carrot farms. Okay, we're at the Manjungul Caves. Lava tube. Manjungul lava tube. Hey, these are the caves. It was 4,001 each for entry. Not bad. Inside the cave. Made it to the end. It's a lava column. Sick. This is actually the largest lava column in the world. Okay, it was 4:50 when we started, so see how long we take. There's stairs going all the way up with a path. Okay, we're at the top. It took us 10 minutes. It's pretty good views. Stop. Wow. Spent about 10 minutes up there. Now we're gonna head down, see how long it takes. It's very beautiful. Okay, there's restrooms here. Oh my god, my leg is shaking too. Anyways, it's 5:18, so yeah, it took us 8 minutes to get down here. Okay, we're back down. I'm gonna try to find our mum, but it basically took us 30 minutes to get up and down. We're staying in another abandoned resort. But at least there's a 7-Eleven. It's called Cordelia Resort. It was 50,000 won for the night for 3 people. There's literally a Lamborghini out in the car park. Like, Korea is such a safe place. People will just leave all of their stuff there and go order. This phone would be gone. It's 5 a.m. Going to Busan today, somehow on the train for 5 hours. We're at Seoul Station. We're gonna go to Magangwon. Okay, it says put your luggage up. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. We love that. Really be going the whole way. Okay, there's another one. We have 40 minutes till our train, so see ya. We got a little vending machine down here. We're here. Okay, here's our ghetto train. This is our ghetto train. So we're taking a 5-hour train to Busan instead of a 2-hour train on the KTX, which is the bullet train, because it was half the price. I don't want that. Oh yes, I do. And yeah, we just got a lot of food. So, yeah, pretty keen. Okay, it's 12. We're in Busan. That was actually a pretty good train ride. I slept for a bit, so I'm feeling very alive. Okay, we're in Busan. We're staying at a hostel in Honda Beach, and we're getting a bus. It takes 40 minutes to get there. How do we pay for the bus?
Hopefully Mikey works.
What's that?
The rail car vibe,
Okay.
which used to be, no, it doesn't.
Anyways, feels like a whole different vibe here. I like it. Just waiting for the bus. Have Taxi Street. Got off the bus stop. We're here. Okay, so I've lost my passport, and so right now, first operation business is to go to the police station and, don't know, report it lost or something. So yeah, that's really sad. So they checked through the system and couldn't find my passport, but I got a report. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to Haedong Yeongunsa Temple. I have to go to Osiria station and then get a bus and walk. Just got an Avo strawberry smoothie from the shop at the station. So good. It's with rice milk. We've decided to walk to the temple. It's 34-minute walk. Just getting our steps in. 7-Eleven stop. Got a burger. And that, which you can microwave here. Okay, I guess we're here.
Shit, I'm not switching to scam trees.
Markets? I want to eat these.
Oh shit, the mini macarons?
We're here. Pretty cool. Beautiful. Yeah. Off we go. Just eat the wizard. Wow, the sea. Most beautiful temple in Korea.
That's what's going on.
Gonna go up here. Made it to the top. Buddha's here. So cute. Aww. Yeah. This is the main strip of Busan. The beach is over there. Wow, this place looks nice. We're at this vegan place. They have a vegan sandwich. Getting like a little pre-dinner meal because I'm starving. It's quite pricey, I must say. Okay, got my food. Looks good. This is so good. Okay, I got this, which is a Nepalese dish. I got some dal soup, roti. Yum. Okay, the food was really good. It's a really nice car. Oh, very nice. And yeah, we're not gonna have more food, and I think we're done. So this is our hostel room. Not bad. It's about 1 a.m. and when I met all the other people in the hostel, had a really good time actually. Nice to meet all of them. We've decided we're gonna cut our trip short so that I can go to the embassy tomorrow. So we're gonna head out at about 9 and then get the train back. Pretty sad. Okay, so it's the next day. It's 8:30. Super tired. Just gonna head to the beach because just really wanted to see it, and we're leaving today. Gary's still asleep, so it's right here. Looks like they have all these stalls here. And here's the beach. Super sunny. Okay, we got our last minute KTX ticket and it was sold out, so we're standing on the train for 2 hours. So sad. So this guy from the Netflix Physical 100 show is right there. The really strong one, he's in blue. Oh!